Today we're showing you a Massey Ferguson 2605 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Massey Ferguson DL250 quick attach front end loader. Traded this tractor in locally here. It has just over 1,600 hours on it. We did trade it in for the PTO clutch to be going bad on it. The previous owner did say that at a low idle the PTO clutch did slip for him, and at a high idle it was, or at a high RPM it was fine, but at a low idle it did slip. So we currently have the tractor priced at $19,900. That is as it is, and or at $21,900, and we will go ahead and replace those PTO clutch packs. So buy it however you want it here. Overall, the tractor is nice. It's clean. There are no other known issues with the machine at all. It does have the skid steer style quick attach for your bucket connection. Couple little scuffs in the front of the hood there, but very minor. Tires are pretty good yet, front and back. Has a foldable rollover bar, rear work light, 540 PTO, has the 3-point arms, drawbar, top link, everything's here. Has a toolbox back here. If you're in the market for a clean four-wheel drive loader tractor, don't want to spend a lot of money, certainly well worth a look here. Current hours are 1641.8. Just a straight gear transmission. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. Engine also is prior to all the Tier 4 emission regulations, so it's none of the DPF or DEF systems. It's a nice find here. Any questions, again, please contact us, masttractor.com.